Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how we can convert text format to number format, as this very helpful for the corporate people as well as for the normal individual one who learn for Excel. Okay, this is very useful topic also, and if you're keeping your all numbers in the text format, you will not get proper total, as well as you cannot do any analysis, as well as for the pivot table also it is not possible to do it whatever your expectation for it. That's the reason frame this topic, and this will be very helpful for the analyst as well as one who making for KPI reports, as well as for learning process for the students. Okay, let me go inside, and before that, if anybody else not subscribe this channel, you can subscribe, and you will get continuous video related to Excel as well as other related learning related to education. You will get some knowledge about this channel. So as you like, you can subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends as well as for the friends also, or else in the other social media platforms. Okay friends, let me move on inside. This is what the file you're looking. Okay, these all will be in text format. Okay, this will be a pull out report from the software. Even if you're following some other software, and if you're downloading the report, this is a way you will get it. Okay, this green color shows that number will be in text format. Okay, that is what showing there. See, text. Okay, if you are clicking a particular number, and you can look over there, it will show for the text. Okay, but we require for the number. Once you are getting number only, you could assess how much of orders has been completed, how much of orders has been attempted, everything we could know. Simply if you are putting total, it will not. See from here, the first way, in the right click. Okay, in the first way it has shown no. Once you are clicking, the pop-up menu will appear. In the right click, you can do for convert to numbers, then that respective thing will be converted. That is what the conversion done for that 21. One by one we cannot do everything, right? That's the reason as a whole table we need to do it as a whole completed. So first you can select as a whole completed column. See over here how many field will be there in the form of text. Okay, these all we need to change. So one by one it is not possible. The first method it is not possible, so we are going for the second method. Go to data. First you can select, then go to data, then you can click text to column. Already it is available for delimited. Just you can click it as next, then you can move on for next, then finish. That's it. So now all text format should be converted into number format. Now you can put the total. It will show the total of, out of 21, the total will be showing like 609 something like that. Okay, the whole total will be showing. Earlier it was showing only for 21, right? But right now it will show for as a whole total of the respective field. As the same way you can do it for other field also, for converting text into an column. Okay, this is a way you have to do it, and you can take for the analysis purpose also. Okay, see over here, the total has been showing, right? This is a way you will do it, and this is a way you can convert for attempted also, as well as whatever field will be in text. If you want to convert into a number, this way you can do it. Okay, in other way also will be there, but while comparing with four, because four method will be there, while comparing those four method, this will be a easy method, as well as in a big data you can utilize this thing. Okay, I think this will be very useful for you. Thank you friends.